Now you saw earlier when I reordered the items by dragging this handle on the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and do it again just to demonstrate something here. So when we did that, it changed the weight, and if you wanted to see the weights that are being used or edit the weights directly, you can click this link that says Show Row Weights. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And when I do, now you can see weights displaying here. So you see our home page has a weight of -50, contact -49, and about -48. So this is what happens when you use the drag and drop interface in order to reorder menu items. It resets the weights. Now because this is so useful, this is a tolerable side effect. But if you need to be careful about the weights, then you may want to be careful about reordering them in this particular interface. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And you can see, since we still have the Show Row Weights selected, that we're seeing the weights that we set. So for the home page, we have 0, for about, we have 5, and for contact, we have 34. Okay, let's go ahead and click this Hide Row Weights to hide them and display the sorting items here on the left-hand side. And then let's go ahead and jump to our home page and see if we can see that contact link. I'm going to go ahead and click on the home page icon. All right, in our menu, we now have home, about, and contact.